I'm sure you've heard the news. Speaking English just got a whole lot easier. When it comes to speaking English, one of the biggest hurdles is knowing what to say in everyday conversations. Those casual chats with friends, family, or even strangers can be tricky for learners. Ever felt stuck in a conversation, unsure of what to say? Or maybe you're worried about sounding awkward. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, let's dive into 50 essential sentences that'll make everyday conversations a breeze. From greetings like, "How's it going?" to lifesavers like, "Can you help me with this?" We've got you covered. Imagine saying, "I'm so sorry, I'm running late," when you're stuck in traffic. Or confidently asking, "Can I get your number?" These simple sentences can work wonders. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, repeat these sentences out loud or with a buddy. Soon, you'll be chatting like a native. Thanks for watching. Got a favorite sentence? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.